Hey guys, me and Alex are back for episode 3 of WTF. I was wondering if you'd remember.
Yeah. Yeah, the show where me and Kate go head to head to see who's more awesome. Well, being more awesome just in general, I won the first series. But in this series, new series, we've had 2 episodes. This is the 3rd, so if you haven't seen them, check them out up there. And right now it's a stalemate, it's 1-1. So
1-1, so don't get too cocky because, you know,
I'm not trying to get too cocky,
I might
I'm just
be taking
saying.
over this series.
I'm just saying, even if you win this series, it's still 1-1. So.
True. So we definitely need to have a 3rd series.
Yeah.
Do you want to open this up?
Yeah, I like it.
Let's go. Ooh.
Ooh, exciting.
Interesting.
So this says, hello Kate and Alex, and congratulations to Alex on your big win last week to tie up the series so far.
As you know, Bonfire Night is tomorrow night, and at WTF, it is one of our favourite nights of the year. So we couldn't let you not have a Bonfire Night themed WTF episode, could we?
This week you'll be taking part in the WTF Apple Bobbing Challenge.
I have not done this since
No, neither have I.
secondary school.
I can't remember where it was. I remember going to like a Steam fair or something on Bonfire Night and there being apple bobbing.
Really?
I feel like we went to I don't know where
Maybe
it was.
it was like a school thing.
Maybe it was a school thing, yeah.
You'll be taking it in turns to be blindfolded and picking out an apple using nothing but your mouth.
Is that normal for apple bobbing?
No.
Being blindfolded?
But here is the catch. You both have your own apples, Alex green and Kate red, and you will only score a point if you pick out one of your own apples.
Oh my word, how are we going to know we're blindfolded?
It's luck of the draw. Sorry, I'm not letting you read.
Whether we can even get them though, and then we have
Yeah.
to know if it's the right. There are 6 apples each, and you will have 4 turns each. Try and score as many points as possible. Each correct apple will result in a point earned.
You know the deal. As always, most points win. Good luck, guys. The WTF team. Oh. Do you want an apple?
So this is going to be hard. I've also just been handed this. So this is our apple bobbing station.
Cute Halloween.
Halloween, yeah.
So I got my blindfold.
Okay, so we're all set up now. We've got, you might notice we've got our normal camera 1, we've got normal camera 2, we've got camera 3 now, hey.
Oh, this is number 3.
And we've got camera 4 in here.
Hello.
Which you can see.
You
like,
might be able to
stuff.
see some nice, interesting facial expressions down there.
Yeah.
Front row view.
This one's pure entertainment down here.
We've both got our blindfolds.
Yeah.
We've got our apple, our bowl with water, and our spare bowl. I think it's time to get junky.
Let's go bobbing.
Yeah, they are.
They don't
bobbing.
float that well, do they?
You don't think?
No, like most of them's under the water. I think we've got to
That's
do
why
put
it's
all
so
of them
hard.
in, haven't we?
God, the water's so full.
I wonder what the GoPro looks like now. Right then, so rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, and is to go first or to choose?
No, to choose who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh.
That's not one, so you're disqualified.
This is already just a new black little stabber thing.
Shiv.
So I'm disqualified.
Yeah, so it's my choice because you didn't.
It was meaning a scissor.
Yeah, but you didn't pick
for
anything.
goodness sake,
So
then.
I think,
It's
just
all-
for the pure fun of
it's
it,
for-
it doesn't. The thing is, it
It's
doesn't really
fate.
matter.
No.
So I think you go first.
Oh dear. Okay. And I'm going red.
Okay. Why are you making so many funny noises?
I don't know, because I'm nervous. I hope my makeup doesn't get ruined.
Okay. And we're ready.
Okay.
for
Oh
it.
dear, is it going to be cold?
I don't think you're even going to feel the water.
I'm only going to put my lips on all of them. Okay, here we go.
There's one that would be really easy to get.
You have to bite it.
I don't know.
I think you do, don't you? Oh my word.
This GoPro is going to look hilarious. Is your face fully in there?
My face is literally fully in. I don't know how I can bite.
There's literally one with a stem sticking out that you could literally bite if
I
you
think
knew where
in
it
order
was.
to bite them, you have to put your whole head in, which means our blindfold getting wet. So shall I can
Try
suck it in?
Try it.
Oh no.
Oh, you got one.
Oh,
I'll take it from you. We're going to have loads of half-bitten...
Apple.
Yeah.
Can I open?
Yeah, open up.
I feel like it's a yours.
You got a red one. So congratulations.
Luck of the draw.
1 point to you. How was that?
I really am a bit.
Is it refreshing?
It is quite refreshing, actually.
Is it?
I did put some warm water in there as well.
Do you think I'm going to enjoy it?
I don't know. Well, the thing is, you haven't got anything to worry about makeup-wise.
Have a little mix around, will you?
Okay, you can't see underneath, can you?
No, the thing is, it doesn't matter if you mix around or not because I don't even know.
You don't know.
It's hard to know where the edge of the bowl is.
No.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
I'm going under. Oh.
It's hard, isn't it?
I don't know how I'm going to do this.
I was doing the suck in, but then you can't bite it.
How am I meant to bite one?
Well, sometimes you can even press it against the GoPro or the side or against an apple.
Is the water going to come out?
No. Maybe we should have got a towel underneath. Now it is! You got one?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any feelings?
I feel like it's yours.
Ooh, there's a bit of spit coming off that.
Is there?
Open up.
Off that. Oh, it's mine! Yeah!
Oh, wet blindfold.
So I'm not going to take mine off.
Oh, I should not take it over.
Right. When you're ready. It's like you go snorkeling or something.
Why did that?
They're so like round and shiny. I don't know how you're meant to bite onto one. Oh, you got one. She's got one.
Oh,
There we go. Did I go straight for a green when I was doing it?
I
Or
think
not?
you literally went. Oh my word!
Because both times you've literally gone straight for a red one.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
No, do you mean in that time?
Yeah.
Because I
Well, you
switched
did.
about
You
three
started
balls.
at a red and then you went to a green
Did
and
I?
then you went back to a red. Right, my turn. Here we go.
No, I literally
Just
thought I
mix
was
them up a
gonna
little.
suffocate then. Oh my word, we got one straight away.
Yeah, I did a deep dive so in the ocean. So. Oh, that's good.
Now from that bite, can you guess what colour?
I feel like it's green actually.
Open up.
What the?
It's You literally went straight for that as
Did
well.
I? Well, the thing is, I wasn't like
No
going for that because I
idea,
thought.
no.
So I just thought, go for the one and just do it.
It's harder now because I've only got 3 possibilities,
Yeah.
but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there.
Yeah,
You guys should definitely do this at home.
definitely do it. Or just do it at a fair. It's already set up for you.
At the fairs
I think in America they do. When you're ready, and go.
Is it alright if I'm like standing up?
Yeah. Maybe we should play ole, 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 ole. It's like you're trying to breathe them in. I thought we said you had to bite them.
Yeah.
You're having a bite against the GoPro there. Right, which do you think
I
you've
feel
got?
I've got to have a green now.
Yeah.
Got all my lips on it.
Got all your
I
lips
began
on.
by at the side of the bowl. Okay,
Shall I go straight in for it?
I've had 3 goes, you've had 2 goes.
2 would be preferable.
And
One
before
and
I
you
draw.
lose one.
Oh yeah, true.
Are you going to mix them up a little bit?
Oh, yeah. Why am I putting my
You put your blindfold on to mix them up.
Okay, off
This
we go.
this whole challenge is basically 50-50.
Yeah, it's like
Just
with
pure game of
the
luck.
egg roulette, how
Oh,
you
yeah.
won.
Ready? Here we go. Oh, got too far over the side. Oh no, I got.
You are so annoying.
I've got a bad feeling about that.
No, because you had a red, you let it go, and then you
Did
had
I?
a green.
Oh my
You are
word.
so annoying.
Yeah, because of the angle, I took it all the way over there and I couldn't bite it and it just slipped away.
Right, so I literally have to get this now.
You have to get this. This is the last round. But if it's equal after this round, we'll do one more and it's a tiebreaker.
Okay, right, mix them round.
Mix them round.
Come on.
Come on.
Vote.
There's 3 of each.
Pause the video now. Who do you think's going to win this episode?
All right, go for it.
Okay. I'm drinking most of this water.
Ew. What are you doing?
Well, there's less in here, which means they just move around now. I can't get it with my teeth.
You got to push it against the side or something. It all go up your nose.
Pretty much.
You got red on. Here we go. This is the last go.
Chance.
Unless, if I get a green now,
it's a draw.
And we do one more. But if I don't, you win. I've never felt so much pressure on something I can't control.
You'll realise in there it's harder now that there's less in there. And you can put your head in a bit more than me. Open. Guess.
Look, red.
Green.
Oh my word. I so thought that was a red from the taste.
So it's a draw.
It's a draw. Right. This is the tie-break round.
Okay, so 2 red, 2 green. I have to try and get a red.
Yeah.
You have to try and get a green.
Well, that's what we've been doing the whole time. Right, go for it.
I'm going for my tongue first. Alright, so you can say I'm not switching. I'm carrying on with this one.
Okay.
I really am having difficulty.
It's not there anymore.
Is it this one?
This water must have so much spit left in it now. And
it's a green.
Reveal. How did you know it was green?
I just knew.
Tasted it. So we've put all of those 4 back in so it's equal. So I've got as much chance of getting a green as you just did.
Yeah.
Which from that was pretty good.
Okay.
Actually got my eyes closed. Yeah?
Off you go then.
Here we go. On a hunting expedition. What's your prognosis, Doctor?
What do you think it is? Well, you're going to taste it now.
I think it's red.
You've won!
What?
It's a green!
I do not know the difference between a green and a red apple.
I think I do actually. On that last bite, it did kind of taste more.
Wow.
So I'm sat here with liquid mascara down my face, and you've won.
And water all over your face.
What do you look like with
and your hair all wet.
So that's the end of episode 3.
Let us know if you enjoyed this episode.
Yep.
If not, we'll give you Matt's email address.
I really enjoyed that.
No,
did you?
I really enjoyed it. I just hope you enjoyed watching us look all silly, and hopefully this GoPro footage
that was really
fun.
fun, and it reminded me of like being younger, back at school doing stuff like that. So get some water, get some apples, and go do some apple bobbing. That's so fun. Definitely fun. Did you enjoy that?
I really enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed that. Good win, even if it was the luck of the draw.
Well, you've got to take them while you can take them, haven't you?
I'm back for my revenge next episode. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.